Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to apply white card in Australia. First, you need to open service.nsw.gov.au in your web browser. Once you're in, go to the search bar. Here, search for white card. Now click on the second link from this page. As it says, to hold a white card, you must be aged 14 or over. We have complete information about it on this page. To apply, firstly, you need to click on the Find an RTO button given below. After that, undertake the required training. When you have successfully completed training, the RTO will either send your application to SafeWork NSW or give you a statement of training that you can use for 60 days until SafeWork NSW sends your white card. So first, click on the button given below. Here, search for trainers and providers for. Select training type. Go ahead and complete the process to apply for white card. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.